Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make custard pudding. You mainly need 3 ingredients, so I'm going to show you guys the ingredients first. First, this is one of the optional ones. It's the whipping cream. If you put whipping cream in, it's going to be more thick and I think the flavor is going to be well. Now your first non-optional ingredient is this milk. I'm going to use this milk. Next you'll need 3 eggs, that's around 50 grams each. By the way, today I'm going to make a pudding for 6 people serving. Next you'll need your sugar. I'm going to use this white sugar. By the way, I'm going to say all the measurements later. This is one of your optional ingredients, which is your vanilla extract. Now going to your utensils. First you'll need your measuring cup and your measuring spoon. This is a tablespoon. If you see this, it says tablespoon. And you'll need your mixing tool. And lastly, you'll need your pot that you can put all the ingredients in. So first, get your pot out and put your milk in. Since I'm gonna be demonstrating how to make custard pudding with whipping cream and milk, I'm gonna put half whipping cream and half milk for this. So total of approximately 600, I think, milliliter of whipping cream and milk in total. But if you only have milk and no whipping cream, then you can just put 600 milliliter of milk without any whipping cream. So now I put 300 milliliter of whipping cream, so now I'm gonna be putting my milk in. Since my measuring cup can only measure up to 200 milliliters at a time, first put your 200 milliliter of milk in, and then put your 100 milliliter in after you put your 200 in your pot. So after you put your milk or milk and whipping cream in, put your sugar in. You'll want to put 3 tablespoons of sugar in. Now, if you want fewer people serving, then if you want 2, then you can do 200 milliliter of milk and whipped cream total, and 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And if you want 4 people serving, then you can do 402 and 2 tablespoons. So you can just do a simple math for those kind of adjusting. So once you put your milk and your sugar, you'll want to put it to like a middle heat, so like a 6 or 8 or 7, somewhere like that, and mix until it will dissolve. So after you think your sugar dissolved, then you can just leave it for now. Now get your bowl out and you want to put your egg in. Since I'm making 6 person serving, I'm going to put 3 eggs, and it's okay if it fails because you're going to mix it anyways. So after that, if you have your vanilla extract, you'll want to put it in just like a few drops. You can always also use your vanilla beans if you have. So just like a little bit, and then you'll want to mix all of them together with the mixing tool. Mix well, but also try not to put a lot of flavor in, unless you're using a tea strainer. After you're done mixing, put the milk and the sugar mixture in from earlier. Mix well again with your mixing tool. Now get 6 glass cups and make sure it's glass, not plastic, because it will melt when you steam the pudding. Put your mixture in by putting it into your tea strainer and into your cup. Make sure you put it in slowly and quietly. So make sure you do that for all 6 of them. Now get your aluminum foil and wrap it on top of your pudding mixture. For the steaming, boil water into your frying pan. Since I have 6, I'm gonna use 2 frying pans. So after you boil your water, put it to low heat and put your pudding mixture in. After you put your glasses of pudding mixture, then if you have, put a covering on top of your frying pan. After around 20 minutes in low heat boiling water, then now you'll wanna put it to no heat, so just 0. So put it off and just wait for another 20 minutes. So after 40 total minutes of steaming, you want to take your pudding out. So now your pudding should look like this. It's jiggly, but it's not liquid. So now just put all of your custard pudding in your refrigerator. Now let's make your caramel. First put 6 tablespoons of your sugar. Then put 3 tablespoons of water. Then you'll want to boil your sugar and your water at a high temperature. When it starts becoming yellowish, prepare 4 tablespoons of hot boiling water. If you want a bitter taste, then put it in when it becomes dark brown, but if you want a sweet taste, then put it in at just like a normal brown. I'm gonna have my parents do this because it's gonna be really hot, and I know it's gonna be really hot. So when desired color, you'll wanna put your hot boiling water into this. Stop the heat and put all of the hot water at once. Just chill it around for a while. If you can't, you don't really have to necessarily put it at once. So after you cool up your caramel, just put it on your custard pudding. This is what my pudding looks like, and I forgot to take an ending, so this is going to be the ending. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Bye!